So what I'm going to do now is test them by sending power directly to it.
There we go.
And this one worked.
So the secondary air pump works, that side. There's 4 though.
And the 2 on the other side were really difficult to get to. So instead of trying to fight it, I decided to just take them off so I could test them off the car.
Yes! Please let that be the fault. Please. Please be broken, because that would mean I'm good. There's no way I've done that for no reason. Ow! That wire is really hot. Both of them work. We haven't heard them when they've started up, so the relays might not be flicking them on.
So all the air pumps work, but whatever's telling them to turn them on clearly isn't working.